012 YJ15 ABX. She does not sound well. 3741 crossover. Wait, who's on the 97 then? She sounds really well. Who's on 97? All for YouTube. 15250. Y65 XDO. Beep. Did he? Oh. Wait. What? That was in exactly the same colour. That AA is in exactly the same colour. She's leaving again. Over there.
Oh God.
What? Goodbye 15250. See you in a bit.
I feel quite rich.
15260. Yeah, 15260. Y65 XDM. She's tracking again, guys. I'm not in the right with the tripod. There we go. 15260. Y65 XDM. 15260. Hello, dog. I watched this blue in front of the camera. 15252. That's Adrian Hackett, that one is. 15252. Y65 XDR. Off she goes over in the distance. Bye bye 15252. 15260. 15260. Y65 XDM. He doesn't like his face being recorded, does he? He was just covering his face up like... Nope. He was like this. He was like this with his face. Trying to cover it up. 15252. Y65 XDR. If we're lucky, you might catch the crossover up there. Obviously, she goes into the distance. Stagecoach distance. Enviro 400. Now we're lucky. No crossover. Yep, the coaches don't track for some reasons. Except for no coaches track. Because they don't have ticket machines, do they? It uses the ticket machines, doesn't it? This is why not all the buses track. Yeah.
We might catch crossover with that, actually.
I'm zooming in much more. No crossover.
Me and my pigeon.
Me and my airplane, look.
Me and my pigeon.
Say that now.
Me and my pigeon.
Say it louder in the camera.
Me and my pigeon.
Yeah. Me and my pigeon. Oh yeah. Oh. I'm becoming a plane and helicopter fan too now. Just to help out with subscribers. Temporarily. The pigeons were flying, I just flew to it. 15251, Y65 XDP. Why didn't that one have the special advertisement on it? Right, she's off in the distance, just like the other one. half a double decker. 37033. Right at 63 LHP. 96 to Limpstone. Beep. This is. This whole bus is empty. Three 7033, right at 63 LHP. This is where.
That's a pigeon. Not a Canadian goose.
I know.
Pigeon.
And there's one over there.
It's a pigeon.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Kiss that seagull.
I literally swore and then one came.
Me and my pigeon.
That's it. 15251. Y65 XDP. Oh, me and my pigeon. Me and my pigeon. Me and my pigeon. Me and my pigeon. 15251. YN65 XDP. It used to have the 5-star style. It used to have this 5-star style on it, but sadly got removed. It used to have the 5-star style on the back of it, but before they got rid of it. Full city to see. Oh, that was not what I thought it was. 37033. Right at 63 LHP. And we're about to see our last 57. 15254. Yeah. Yes, all in one video, look. 37033 has just about left now. Oh! On the 96 to Exmouth. Ooh! And 15254. She's still there. What? 15254, Y65 XDT. She's still up there. What's all for these birds? And that's our last 57 we've seen now. We've seen 5. What? And I was two pigeons together.
Plus a fans of V98 plane.
Yep, a plane. Me. Oh! Oh! We're going to catch the crossover. We're going to catch the crossover. She's in 15250. 165 XDO. 15254 is about to make an appearance, I know she is. And this lady's stopping it. Whoa, yeah! Hey, yeah, yeah! Let's go! 15254, 15255. Idiot. Go round, go round, go round! Go round! 15250 and 15254. That's 15254. And that is 15250. She stopped!
That silly car.
What?
She blocked the old shot. She ruined it.
No way! Whoa there! You ain't seeing what I'm seeing, are you? They're going down one after the other.
Wait, what?
What?
Where did they all go?
Into the garden.
Me, my Pigeon. We're just waiting for one more.
Yeah, waiting for that one to go down. It's sinking.
Come on, Pigeon. Yeah. My Pigeon.
Now they're going back up. And my seagulls.
What, me and my seagull?
Yeah. Oh! Yo!
There's another pigeon just went to join the gang.
Yeah.
What's that? More pigeons just flew over.
Yes! That just flew straight over. No, it's not.
The crows. Me and my pigeons. 96.
Whoa! Hello! Oh, cool! Oh! That's flocking! Oh! That's crazy! Oh yeah! Here they come again! Whoa! Oh yeah! What? They're going round in circles! They're going round in circles! Literally what's going on? Oh! 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 Oh, they love this house apparently. Ooh, 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 ooh. Whoa! Oh. What are they doing circling the house? Oh. Whoa! What are they doing? That dove's decided to go the other way and leave the pigeons. Oh my, oh yeah, oh they split up and now they're joining. No, my pigeons! They're coming back. Only 4? And they've gone. Oh, that was making you turn. Oh, and the other one. Hello, hello, hello. Seagull sweeping. Naughty seagull. Oh, a few remain. 66 is right there. 37033. She's coming. Oh, my pigeons. Oh, my pigeon. There she is. 37033. Right at 63 LHP. Oh, I'm pigeons. I'm a pigeon. Yep, all my pigeons. Three 7033. Right at 63 LHP. I got a coach in the background. I just got a coach in that video. 2 coaches? What? 37033. Oh my! They're flocking. Don't have to get them flocking here.
You screamed at them and they flew off.
Oh, more join
Me
in.
and my pigeon!
Wait, say it again.
Me and my pigeon! Oh shit, they're coming back.
Oh no, they've gone.
They've actually
Gone to town.
away. There's more coming over there. Look.
Oh yeah.
Maybe
Wait, they're coming
there
back.
they are.
Ooh. I'm like, yes. We're thinking about it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Right over my head. Right over the seagull. What? That seagull's like, what's going on? Oh, what? Oh my, 2 more just joined. Wait, what? They're going back? Yeah, let's go, they're coming back. I've been doing this for 2 minutes flat now. They've been doing this for like 5 minutes now. The more Jordan. What are you doing to that poor lamppost? That poor post.
That's electrical as well.
Beep, 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 beep. Oh, they're raining down.
96.
Where?
Just kidding.
Oh yeah, once.
There's 96.
They just keep doing it over and over again.
No, stay there, please. I want to record them going down one by one.
Yeah. 37471. Wait, 68 UTY. That's busy. Idiot. He's an idiot. Oh, someone's going off. 36223 on the 99. Didn't say anything. 99. Uh-oh. 36223 WA68LB on the 99. What's my first 95 clip of the day. 19657 WA60 FHO. Wait! My brothers were on the bus then. That was my brothers. And the Devon County Council bus. No way. I'm filming 19657 WA60 FHO.
So am I.
Oh, a bumblebee. And 36223 is coming. Oh. 15665 W10GHG. People! Please unpause and run us now! No way! Where are all these buses coming from? Wait, this happened yesterday with a bus that broke down, didn't it? Oh my god, a crow and... Whoa! Ooh! Oh, what's going on all of a sudden? As I said, that pigeon came. Me and my pigeon! Sorry about that. Wait for YouTube!